We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम भूमिका साहू है और मैं कक्षा 9वीं निर्मला इंग्लिश मीडियम सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप लोगों के समक्ष 26 नवंबर यानी राष्ट्रीय संविधान दिवस के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। भारत ने 26 नवंबर सन 1949 को संविधान अपनाया था, जिसे 26 जनवरी 1950 को लागू किया गया। इसलिए हम 26 नवंबर को देश भर में राष्ट्रीय संविधान दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। हमारे देश में डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर जी को भारतीय संविधान का निर्माता कहा जाता है। दरअसल डॉक्टर अंबेडकर जी ने दुनिया भर के संविधानों का अध्ययन करने के बाद भारतीय संविधान का मसौदा तैयार किया था। हमारा संविधान सर्वप्रथम विश्व का सबसे बड़ा लिखित संविधान है, जिसमें 448 अनुच्छेद, 12 अनुसूचियाँ और 94 संशोधन शामिल हैं। इसे डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर समेत संविधान सभा के 299 सदस्यों ने 2 साल 11 महीने 18 दिन में तैयार किया है। हमारे संविधान द्वारा हमें बहुत से मौलिक अधिकार प्राप्त हैं, जिनमें पढ़ाई की आज़ादी, धर्म की आज़ादी, एकता आदि शामिल है और इससे हमें मत देने का अधिकार भी प्राप्त है, जिससे हम प्रत्येक 5 वर्ष में अपने प्रतिनिधि का चुनाव खुद ही कर सकते हैं, जो कि सरकार के समक्ष हमारी समस्याओं को रखेंगे और उसका समाधान भी करेंगे। किसी भी देश को अच्छे से चलाने के लिए संविधान की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। संविधान आदर्शों को सूत्रबद्ध करता है, जिसे हम अपने देश को नियमों और अपनी इच्छा अनुसार रच सके। इसलिए हमें संविधान द्वारा दिए गए निर्देशों का पालन कर अपने देश की गरिमा को बढ़ाए रखना चाहिए। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Today we 3 friends are going to discuss some facts about our constitution. Friends, you know that the original constitution of India was handwritten.
Really? But who wrote?
It was written by Prem Behari Narayan Raizada. He wrote in the flowing italic style and beautiful calligraphy.
But I saw the Indian constitution was beautiful and decorated.
Each page was decorated by artists from Shantiniketan.
It was wonderful, and I also know that the original copies of the Indian constitution written English and Hindi.
Yes, they were kept in special helium-filled cases in the Library of Parliament of India.
And with the 25 parts containing 448 articles and 12 schedules.
You know that the Indian constitution is the longest written constitution of any sovereign country in the world.
Really? It was awesome. And you know that the Constituent Assembly, which first met on December 9, 1946, took precisely 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to come with the final draft.
Yes, I know when the draft was prepared and put for debate and discussion, over 2000 amendments were made before it was finalized.
Yes, and the drafting of the constitution was finally complete on 26 November 1949, but was legally enforced only after 2 months. On 26 January 1950, which came to be known as the Republic Day.
And you know when the handwritten constitution was signed?
Yes, I know it was signed on 24 January 1950 by 284 members of the Constituent Assembly, which included 15 women. It came into force 2 days later on 26 January.
You know why the Indian constitution is called a bag of borrowings?
Yes, I know our constitution maker took inspiration from various other constitutions while drafting the one of our country, which is why the Indian constitution is often called a bag of borrowing.
Thanks, Bhumi. You know that the concept of 5-year plans was taken from the USSR and the directive principles were taken from the islands.
Thanks for the information, Anushka.
You know about our preamble. The ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity in our preamble have been taken from the French Revolution, which is also the French motto.
Yes, and also the preamble of our constitution inspired by the preamble of constitution of the United States of the America, which also start with the we the people.
Wow, what an amazing fact.
Yes, and also the fundamental rights recognized by our constitution have also been adopted from the American Constitution. The Indian Constitution recognized 9 fundamental rights as the basic human rights of all its citizens.
You know an interesting fact about Constitution?
No, please tell.
Yes, in the beginning, the right to property was also one of the fundamental right. The Article 31 of our Constitution said that no person shall be deprived of his property save by authority of law. However, the amendment in 1978 deleted it.
Thanks, Sana.
My pleasure, Bhumi.
Guys, you know the constitution has also been held as one of the world's best constitutions.
Yes, because in 62 years its adoption, it had been amended only 94 times.
But as of now, our constitution has undergone a total of 100 amendments.
Thank you, friends, for the information.
Welcome and thank to you also.
Thanks, Bhumi and Sana.
I hope the fact of constitution that we have discussed in this video, you all will remember that, and thank you for watching
आप
our
सभी
video.
को सुप्रभात। मैं जेनिस जोसेफ आज संविधान दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में आप सभी को भारतीय संविधान से जुड़ी कुछ बातें बताने जा रही हूँ। भारत के संविधान को 26 नवंबर 1949 में स्वीकृति मिली थी। 26 नवंबर को हम संविधान दिवस या नेशनल लॉ डे मनाते हैं। हमारे संविधान को 2 साल 11 महीने और 18 दिनों में तैयार किया गया था। हमारे संविधान को हिंदी और अंग्रेज़ी में हाथ से लिखा गया था। इसमें किसी प्रकार की प्रिंटिंग या टाइपिंग नहीं की गई थी। हमारा संविधान विश्व का सबसे बड़ा लिखित संविधान है। पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, मौलाना अबुल कलाम आज़ाद आदि संविधान सभा के प्रमुख सदस्य थे। डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद को स्थायी अध्यक्ष चुना गया था और डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर प्रारूप समिति के अध्यक्ष थे। भारत के संविधान को तैयार करने में इनकी बड़ी भूमिका थी, इसीलिए इन्हें भारतीय संविधान का निर्माता भी कहा जाता है। 26 जनवरी 1950 में भारतीय संविधान प्रभाव में आया, इसीलिए 26 जनवरी को हम गणतंत्र दिवस मनाते हैं। इस वर्ष अर्थात 2020 में हमारे संविधान की 71वीं सालगिरह है। भारत के संविधान के महत्व को समझाने के लिए हर वर्ष 26 नवंबर को हम संविधान दिवस मनाते हैं, जिससे लोगों को समझाया जाता है कि भारत के संविधान का देश के विकास में कितना महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका है। मेरा अधिकार है संविधान, मेरा मान कर्तव्य है संविधान, मेरा मान सम्मान है संविधान। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
My name is Pardita Ren Pandey from 10th C Nirmala English Medium Senior Secondary School, Dalli Rajra, and I am here today to say a few things about National Constitution Day. The National Constitution Day is also known as Samvidhan Divas. is celebrated in India every year on 26th of November to celebrate the adoption of Indian Constitution. It is celebrated in India to commemorate the adoption of Constitution Assembly of India. The Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January in the year 1950. The Constitution Assembly drafted the Constitution of India. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar being the chairman of Indian Constitution, and it plays a significant role in the drafting of Constitution. Previously, it is also known as Law Day. The National Constitution Day is celebrated to spread awareness about the ideology of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who is the pinnacle picture of equality. Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world, continuously 395 articles, 22 parts and 12 schedules. The Constitution of India declares India as sovereign, socialist, secure and democratic republic. It declared justice for every Indians, liberty of thoughts and expression, equality and fraternity. The Constitution Day of India is declared, which also marked as 125th birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. The contribution of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar in the drafting of Indian Constitution is unparalleled to anyone else.
Hello everyone, my name is Supreme Kaur Bhatia. I am from class 9C. Today I am here to speak few words about the Constitution of India. The Constitution Day is celebrated on 26 November every year to commemorate the introduction of our country. On the Republic Day, that is 26 January, the Indian Constitution was adopted by the Indian Union. Constitution of India declares a secular, democratic and sovereign republic which gives the citizens of country with equality, liberty, fraternity and justice. India is one of the biggest constitutions in the world because the creator of the Indian Constitution took the essence of American, British and Japanese constitution. The Indian Constitution offers and guarantees a few fundamental rights that are right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. At last, I would like to conclude by saying that the Indian Constitution is the sole and the only book which the institution of India such as Supreme Court as well as the government of district and state level should use. In case if the Constitution is not followed in spirit and practice, then that is the line by which government will become an authoritarian regime.
Thank you, Madam Sahu. I study in class 6th B. तिरंगे का मान है भारतीय संविधान, वंचितों की आन है भारतीय संविधान, मानवता की जान है भारतीय संविधान, क्षमता की पहचान है भारतीय संविधान, हर नारी का सम्मान है भारतीय संविधान, हर इंडियन का अभिमान है भारतीय संविधान, दुनिया को बुद्ध का पैगाम है भारतीय संविधान, सुख शांति व समृद्धि का वरदान है भारतीय संविधान, हर जवान हर किसान की शान है भारतीय संविधान, बाबा भीम के संघर्षों व कर्मों का परिणाम है भारतीय संविधान। जय